We're teaching our dad to play Roblox. He's a bacon hair, he's a noob. He's such an amateur, sweetie. Teaching our dad to play Roblox.
Hello and welcome to Teaching My Dad to Play Roblox, the vlog that takes place here in Roblox and has two girls teaching their dad to play Roblox. They are
Audrey
and
Andrea.
And I'm Dad. Better known as Dad Plays Roblox 3. So here we are today in Don't press the button 4. Okay. Right, I haven't even seen the first 3, but we're gonna play this. So Daddy, and we're not gonna press any buttons.
Go look for look for a bright yellow star.
Find a bright yellow star.
It's over here.
Okay.
Go get it. Go get it.
It's over here.
I don't know what direction it's over here means.
It's right over there. Oh no, by us on the other side of us.
Oh, it's too late.
Oh, wow.
Get to the end.
Get to the end. So
it's a park. It's kind of purple.
Wait. I was walking in thin air for a while there.
Yeah, it pops up, but you can't see it.
Wait, what?
Oh,
it goes away, so you can't see it anymore. Okay. What's going on now? Oh, there I am. Okay, so, yeah. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so we'll go here. And then it's like over there, right? And then it's like all the way over here. Oh, cool. I made it. Now what do I do? This feels a lot. Oh, wait, it just went away and I didn't know where to go. Okay, let me look at it. So to go there.
Yes, I did it.
Yay!
Andrew did
it. And then
you're sneaky, Dad.
Over here. Ooh, I made it.
No. Oh, alright.
So if I step on this star thingy,
it's a checkpoint. It's called a checkpoint.
So I won't have to go back.
Now, watch where
when you die, you go back there. No.
Turn right, like Daddy here.
Turn that way.
Right.
And then this way.
And then go. Go.
And then here.
Where do I go?
And go here.
Here.
And then here. And then click on this.
Oh.
Oh, I was gonna do it.
Feed the giant noob.
Well, you can if you want, but
you feed him yourself. You feed him.
Oh, that's what that means.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's at the ladders.
Okay.
Just go stand here. No, Lisa. Oh,
Eat me.
I'm sitting down.
Seymour.
Jump.
Wait,
Jump again.
We're just sitting. I'm just taking a little sip.
Eat me, Seymour. Okay.
He ate you.
That was it? I landed.
Yeah.
Landed back here. Uh-oh. Whoa. This. Oh no. Okay. So I don't want that thing to hit me, right, guys?
When it goes light red, you can go through it.
Oh. I got through it.
When it's dark red, you can't. You can go through it, Daddy, and now you can't.
Oh, now I can't.
So,
I should have gone through it.
Yeah, you should have.
Okay, well now I know.
Hello.
So let's play it again.
You can't.
Oh. You can never play it again.
Unless it pops up again. That's why I'm pressing the button.
Yeah, which rarely happens.
Oh, I did.
True. Yay.
So, press button. The
The
person
red
that clicked the
button.
button the most amount of times. Is this the button?
The red thing. No. Over here. That
Oh, it's over here. Oh, and to press it, I like click my mouse.
Yeah, your mouse.
5, 7, 10, 14, 16.
42. 61! I only got 40 like 2.
I don't know how much
61.
I got.
I got like 30.
Daddy, come press
12.
this green thing right here. Or not.
Is that starts it?
Yeah, that starts the
Be
game.
careful. Okay, so I don't
Lots of
want
mines.
I don't want to step on the.
By the way, we played this game already 4 times.
Oh, I blew up.
By the way, we played this game 4 times already.
Yes,
What game?
So many times.
This game.
Oh yeah, everybody, we played this game 4 times already, and we recorded some great videos. You'll never see them because we don't know how to record videos, and
Yes, I hit it.
They didn't
Work
make
out.
Oh no, I didn't hit it.
They didn't work.
I so couldn't have button.
So what's going on now? Find the correct pad. Okay. Is it this pad?
It's none
Nope.
of the pads actually. It's these pads over here. They want you to buy stuff.
What, like these black ones?
Yeah, I'm guessing they want you to buy stuff in.
Oh, that's mean.
I know. They want you to click that pad so it's like
Okay,
buy
what's
something.
this?
Escape the burning building.
Escape
we
the
don't know.
burning building. How do I get out of
I'm
here?
running.
I don't want to go up.
Oh,
Yes, I definitely
wait
don't
a
want.
minute, it's
I
burning
died.
over there. Oh, I died.
Drink my Coke. It gives me health
Okay.
back. So I don't know how to go
Are
from
people
here.
still escaping?
Because
Audrey
this
is.
is blocked off. So I don't know how.
Oh, she's still escaping?
She's still trying, but she can't.
Because
Fall
this
down.
is blocked off.
She can't.
It's blocked off.
Then you're gonna die.
And I'm gonna die. Yes, I died.
You died. Maybe you're the last.
Deliver
Deliver the
the
pizza.
So you have the number right there on your
To the-
screen.
Where?
Right. That's
85.
your number. 85.
Okay.
I got
I
87.
gotta find 85. Ooh, wait, I passed 87.
I got 87.
Oh. Wait, they're all jumbled. Oh, I see 85. I'm
I-
good. I'm good, guys. I found
Audrey,
it.
I had 87 too.
Yeah.
87.
Wait, what happened?
87
Now I'm-
delivered 2 pizzas. We did it.
Oh.
Whoop, whoop.
Winners. Ivy Toe, Dad plays Roblox. This is 2020 ABCs. Aaron Brooke. Disney
Disney
Tulip.
Tulip. That's my
Yay.
friend.
Yay, your friend's on here. Disney Tulip. Wait, let me send her friend request. And Rose, right? Oh,
Wait,
no.
who?
She's the same person.
Yeah.
You don't send friend requests.
She's Andrew's friend. Andrew, who is it again?
Who? What?
That's Parker.
That's Parker.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Parker.
Okay. Well, we shouldn't say names.
Yeah, probably
Very
shouldn't. We'll beep it out.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
whoa.
whoa.
I got huge. What happened, guys?
Whoa.
I'm huge.
I'm a giant monster with
Whoa.
a giant face.
Nanu.
Now if you die, it becomes tiny again.
What? Take cover under the umbrella.
I
Where?
can't because my head will poke out.
There's the umbrellas.
Now your health, Daddy.
Oh, I died.
The health bar.
Oh, there's a health bar?
Yes.
I learned that the first 4 times we played, that there's a health bar in the right corner sometimes. I don't know when.
When
And-
you're
you're dying.
Health, when you're dying.
Why are these people in heaven dying?
He reset.
I don't know what that means.
He reset.
It
So, like,
means-
if you're
like
glitched
if you're
or-
glitched or something, you can reset, or if you just plain wanna oof.
Oh.
Like if you want to become tiny. you
Can I
do
oof
that.
and then go back and play again?
No.
No. Okay. I don't know what's going on. So, yeah, my health must have been bad
Yeah, your health was.
because I was getting rained on.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
acid
toxic rain.
It's
So
acid.
sometimes you have health and some, like right now, I don't have any health.
Huh?
Huh?
Wait, huh?
What?
Nothing's happening.
Oh!
Wait, y'all are, some people are big and I'm not.
Yeah, because
Yeah, because we survived.
you
We
died.
stayed big. Get
get
ready.
ready.
Okay.
Red
Get
pad.
on the red pad.
Red
I'm
pad.
on the
Someone's
red
on the
pad.
green.
I can't really see myself
Died.
because there's all these giant people.
He died.
Get
Get
on the blue pad.
Okay.
On the blue pad.
I see. I'm the little guy.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
jumping.
me.
Get on the red pad.
Get on the red pad again. Okay. This
Honey.
is like that game, Twister,
Twister.
except
Blue
we're
pad.
using
Again.
our whole body. This is really too easy, guys.
Yeah.
This is too.
If I can do it, too easy.
Oh, as we
Whoa,
almost-
Rose barely made it. Who's Rose?
Yellow. My friend.
Disney Tulip. Oh!
Oh, okay. It
It starts
was
getting
too
quicker.
easy, but then now it's not.
It got quicker.
I'm small now.
Okay, get
Get
ready.
ready, snowball fight!
Snowball fight. How do I throw?
It's easier to get the big guy because he's huge and he's slow.
What happens if they get you?
You lose health and you
Oh,
die.
I killed someone. I think I killed someone. I killed someone again. I must be good at this game.
Get Audrey. Get Audrey.
I'm hitting
Yes,
you.
jump.
I'm so hitting you, Daddy.
I don't have any health. Does that matter? I
The
don't
health
see
bar's
my
not
health
up.
bar.
That means your health not going down.
Is that why I'm winning?
Yeah.
Because I don't even have a health bar?
Ah, this guy's hitting me. He's in the Christmas tree.
There's someone in the Christmas tree?
I see you, person. I'm trying to hit you.
Where
No!
are they?
He got me. I died. Where's
hiding
Andrea? Where are
In
you?
a tree.
Where am I?
Ah,
I'm
Andrea's
throwing
in
him
the
at the tree. Oh, it's Andrea who got you, huh?
No.
No, that
Ooh,
guy got me.
That guy.
But he got you.
But
Oh, he
I was
got
in
me
one of the
finally.
white trees.
Okay.
Someone's got a bomb. Stay away
So,
from them.
man.
Watch out. Okay.
Someone's got a bomb.
Well, what's that thingy?
Wait, was it
That's
Disney
creepy.
Tulip who had the bomb?
No, it was
okay.
Zoe. This girl named Zoe.
Oh, tsunami! What does that mean?
Get up to
Oh,
high
I need to
ground.
get to high ground.
Over here, the ladders.
I need the ladders. Where's the ladders? I'm about to die, aren't I?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
have
you
to
are.
climb up this thing.
Where? Oh, there
Which
it is.
Andrea isn't either.
I am.
You are?
Okay. I just
Go
made
in it. No, go in it.
Hmm?
Or not.
Oh no! Tsunami'd me.
Hey, Lavender.
I made it.
Andrew's
Hi,
name is
dead
now
people.
Lavender.
Hi, oofs. Oofs.
People. Oh man, I
Oh.
fell off the whole map.
Same! Well, that's rude.
Oh, score a goal.
Oh,
I
wait,
don't really
I'm gonna go on.
understand. How do you... like, whenever I try to move it with my body, I get on top
Look,
of it.
I'm on it, yes! Oh!
Don't-
That's the
Like the second time we played, I had
I don't know
some
how to
sweet
not
moves
get on
on
top
here.
of it. Don't know
I
how
was
to
on the
do
ball for
this.
so long.
How do you do it without getting on top of it?
The guy is trying to knock it off though.
You can't.
Oh yeah.
It's blocked off, so. Ah.
Okay, no one scored.
No one scored.
Jump
What? I
over
didn't-
the laser.
I ran off of
It was right next to me when it
I
started.
didn't even know the laser was there yet.
I ran
Everyone
off of it.
died.
I was
That
moving.
could have been fun if I knew.
I was
Think fast.
Think fast. Oh,
I
I
couldn't
didn't think
jump.
fast.
I was
didn't
moving when
think
that
fast. I was like,
happened. I was moving when that
this
spawned, so
guy,
I
this
had to
robot
hide.
guy's good.
Yeah, he's good.
Oh, robot guy? Stay away from robot guy. He's
Reach
too
the
good.
end.
Reach the end. Where's the end?
Over here.
Oh, over here. It looks like an obby. I don't like
It
obbies.
is.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Whoa! Why am I going fast?
It's a
Oh,
thing.
I made
that
it.
was
I made it.
fast.
I made it.
That's a thing, huh?
Mhm.
I bet you can't go through the red.
No, you can't.
Yeah, 'cause you die. Like I just did.
It's lava.
The
Yes!
red is
I
lava.
made it.
Lava.
Oh, I made it
He's
through the
2020
red.
and Ivory Totem made it.
Okay.
And Thunderbolt and Tombra.
Ooh, I went through the red again.
Zombra.
Mohambra.
A crumba.
And he made it again! This robot guy's good. He looks
I'm
like an
not
alien
good.
robot.
Guys, I'm
Oh,
not
there's a
good.
ducky here.
Ducky!
Oh,
Wait, I just died out of nowhere.
because someone was the chosen one and didn't die.
Oh, well, that's not cool.
Yeah,
No, not really.
Choose a side. Okay,
I'll
I'm gonna
choose
be
pink.
green.
Blue.
Anyone? Anyone with me on this green thing? Oh, that guy can't choose.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm still in it, guys.
I'm going pink, because they never do the same one again.
Or do they? I'm going green
They
still.
might.
Yes.
Those guys fell off.
It's just me and you.
Yellow. Ooh, is it yellow? Is it blue? Who knows?
Dun, dun, dun.
No!
Yeah, I win!
Daddy.
That
That
is
was your
the only
first
game
one.
I'll ever win.
Dino.
Wait,
Yes, we
I'm
did
a dinosaur!
Dinosaur.
Woohoo! Is that it?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the one.
let's see. It's fun though. And we can also become bananas.
Rawr.
And we can also become bananas. Okay, I'm not
Reach
going.
the top.
Because if you die, you lose your dino
You
suit.
lose your dino suit?
I'm going to try to
You
keep
think
my
we
dino
could be
suit on for the
dinos
longest.
forever?
I'm trying to keep mine on
Oh.
for the longest.
Oops, I died.
You can't. Maybe me and Andrew can. Andrew, don't risk it. Or chocolate biscuit.
Jump! Ooh, I did it.
Ooh, Andrea, risky.
Jump! I didn't do it.
I made it. I didn't make it to the top, but I made it.
Okay.
Enter
Enter
the
the mysterious cave. Okay, Mr. Cave.
Ooh, nice tropical music playing.
We're not listening to music.
I know. I can hear it kind of.
Because when we listen to music, it ruins our
Voice.
I know.
videos.
You can't hear us.
Oh, there's a thing coming for me. I gotta get out of the way. Step into the crevice. Ooh, gonna make it.
In this dinosaur costume, I'm
go,
so
go.
slow.
You're still in their diner costume?
Yeah.
Dino?
I'm stuck. Oh, there.
I'm not gonna
I'm not gonna
make it.
risk
I'm
it.
not gonna make it. Wait, I made it. Yeah, you won. Do I go again?
Yep.
Yes. You can.
Oh, wait, I fell. I died.
Go.
Okay, that was cool.
Yay! Dino costumes.
People in dino costumes.
I hope we get the banana one. You get a banana suit.
Maybe this alien guy was in the alien costume and never died.
No,
That's
that's
a skin
an
on
actual
Roblox.
skin on Roblox.
Okay.
Daddy, your name is still at the top. That you
Why?
made it. Because you made it. You touched the green
okay.
thing.
Yeah, that's cool. Jump into.
Oh,
I forgot to
no.
jump.
I didn't jump.
Andrew pressed
I
the
was
button
too slow
though.
to
I
jump.
jumped.
Spleef.
It killed me
Oh.
automatically.
I
It
fell
didn't
off the
kill-
whole
Whoa.
world.
Yeah.
Spleef.
That's not fair. We don't
Run
have
for your
dino
life.
costumes anymore.
Run
Daddy,
for your life.
you can save paths by going slower,
Oh, I'm going too fast is what you're saying.
but you can't jump, so you're gonna lose.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You can't jump in that game.
Yeah, it's annoying.
It's annoying.
Why does it keep making us buy stuff or wanting us to lose?
Because that's how they make money on little kids like me. Ouch. Wait, why does it say ouch?
There's
Spikes
spikes
popped up.
here.
Okay. Reach the end.
I'm stuck. I need to reset.
Oh, okay. It's a hobby.
It goes away at some point.
You can't just reach the
There
end.
is it.
Wait, it goes away?
Yeah.
I can't see anything because there's all these people on top of me.
No.
What do I do?
You reached the end.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay. Well, what do I do? I die. That's what I'm really good at, guys.
No.
Oh.
I didn't jump.
Oh.
That's hard. Blink.
That was fun. I went from it
Boink.
at a
Boink.
different angle. Okay. I couldn't stop.
Boink. 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 Yes. But this one's fun.
I made it.
You made it?
I made it somewhere.
Oh,
Yay!
there
I
should be
did
more.
it.
Yeah, there's always more. That's the problem with these. Whoa, I jumped.
Go.
Whoa! Oh, I was too slow.
How do I get?
Yay! Die.
Nope. Oh, I died.
How do I get these?
Cha, cha. Die.
I see a coin I want, but I cannot get it.
Okay, let's start over.
I fell off the whole
Reach
thing.
the other
Pick
side.
me off.
Ooh, okay. Oh, that's death goo.
Yeah.
The purpley death goo.
It's go away,
It's like
dear.
unicorn.
I'm terrible at hobbies, guys.
I know.
See, I jumped right in it. Like I didn't even try to jump over
It's
it.
hard with a computer. I think.
Yeah, it's quite tricky with computer.
Well, how do you play?
I use my tablet.
Tablet mode?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I could do it in tablet mode.
Does your computer do that?
Yeah, it does that.
Ooh,
See, I
except
can touch.
the things
Whoa.
pop up. See?
See, the things pop up. I don't know. I don't know how to. You'll have to teach me how to do that.
Yeah. Okay. If
sometime.
you want to, we can.
Maybe not now.
No.
Yeah, not
click
today.
the butt. Click the butt.
Oh, I can change
No.
the view real easily that way.
Yeah. You can.
Okay, I like this now.
There's snowballs coming down from the sky.
Oh, watch out
Don't
for
like it.
snowballs. Don't snowball
And sometimes when you're on the
Maybe I can view.
sometimes you're on tablet mode and it glitches to where you can't move your screen. Like mine, I can only go in and out.
But you can always reset.
But you can.
I'm hiding behind this log. None of the snowballs are hitting me.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that'll happen.
Click the button. Oh, reset.
Oh, no.
More
Reach
obby.
the end. Oh, more obbies. Doing. Oops.
Ah.
Wait.
I completed a really hard obby the other day.
Hold on. Wait. Why am I not going anywhere? Okay. Yeah. So, what you're saying is I'm terrible at obbies again? Who'd have thunk? Oh, I have to jump. Okay. Alright. Now I know.
Good. No, oh.
Now I know. Boing. Ooh, I died. I did jump. I think I have to jump twice.
Yeah, I reached it.
Joink. Nope.
I'm gonna die.
Oh,
Oh,
I
good.
almost made it.
Did you get that from
On
me?
your mark, get set. 3,
2.
2,
Well, I
1.
can't go anywhere.
Whoa.
Oh, can we not step on that thing?
No, you can't. I'll make you faster.
Oh, it didn't make me fast.
Someone already used it.
I feel like I'm dreaming and I can't walk. I
No, Andrea.
just can't
This
go
guy is so rude.
anywhere.
He's getting all the things so no one else can get them.
Yeah.
You know who's mean to me too.
The guy that's really good.
That's rude.
What happens if I go backwards? Can I get in
I
your
hate
way?
when people do that.
Oh, that's the guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's stealing all the speed boosts, so no one else can make it. But luckily,
Winners.
I got 2.
Ivory Toto
I
and
got
Lisa
one.
2020. You
And-
guys won?
Yeah.
And that other guy who's being rude.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, we won. We were pretty slow, but
Yeah.
we still did it.
I'm still over here because I'm not even trying.
I'm coming over here. Hi.
I want to go faster.
Now we go faster.
Now I can go faster. Avoid the builders.
The
Oh,
boulders.
the boulders. I need that.
Yeah. Oh, I
Wait.
died. I zoomed my screen out too much.
You can't jump off.
You can't jump. What do?
You avoid them.
You just avoid them. You just go back and forth.
Mhm.
Oh, I see. They come onto you.
Ugh.
Oh, it's like Plinko. You ever play Plinko? You know?
Yeah, I believe I've seen people play it or
That's
something.
what?
Yeah, and you try to get into different spots, and
You know,
on game shows, different
game
spots
show.
will
Yeah,
have money,
the.
different amounts of money.
Whoa! I fell off the face of the earth. Click the button the most times.
To win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, someone got in my way and now I can't click it. Get out of my way.
What's wrong when you click it?
He keeps getting in my way.
People try to do that.
Oh, I won.
No.
But big forehead won. Big forehead. That's cool. Find the button. Wait, it's dark, guys. I don't see anything.
I fell off. I fell off. I fell off. I died.
Oh.
There we are.
Oh, here was the button.
Where was I? There was no button. Uh-oh, the spinny thing.
Just hop on here. Get on the button.
Wah!
Daddy, get on the button. You won't die.
Oh, I died. Well, that's a cheat. Y'all are just sitting on the button.
Yeah, you can get on like a fence or a thing and not die if you got off.
Okay, wow. That's not
Okay, I'm
fun.
gonna risk
It's
my
funner
life.
to jump.
No, because you die. Point,
Did you die?
point.
Alright,
I
last
made
It's kind of glitchy too,
Last
so like
game.
you might not
Okay,
touch it. and
first
it
do
just-
the
find-
first
you
find
die.
and press. Press
the
what?
Button. The button.
What happens if I go
see
in the
the
fire?
button.
Nothing.
Yay!
Wait, where was it?
Where is
It was back here.
Oh.
It's a tiny little button on the floor.
Click the door.
Oh yeah, this
Oh,
is a
there's
weird
the door.
one that you just click.
Click.
I clicked it.
Oh my gosh.
I can't click it. Where's it? What are y'all clicking?
Oh. You click the door and it
Oh,
says
there we
knock
go.
knock, who's there? And they slam the door or something.
Oh, it won't let me click the door.
I
then.
don't know what
happened.
just happened.
It's weird.
Grab the most rings.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
When you fall down, there are rings and you gotta grab them.
Oh, you want to fall down?
You fall down into the
Okay.
rings.
Oh, into the rings. Okay.
I've got 3, 4,
I only have 1.
5.
Okay, this is our last game. Whee.
6,
Oh man, I'm not good at this. I have 1.
7.
I
No.
don't know how to do it. I can't gauge. Oh, I got 1.
I got
Yeah.
7.
I got 4.
I got 1, 2. Oh, I might get 3. I got 4.
I see it.
Okay, let's do our outro.
Wait, let's
Come
see
join me.
Who wins?
Yay!
She got 13. She got all 13.
Thank you for joining
Yes,
us.
thank you for watching our video.
Watching our video.
Bye.
We love you. Remember,
Subscribe.
subscribe and press the like button and
Do everything.
do all the things so that we can be famous, successful YouTube
And
vloggers.
We're gonna die.
Bye now.
Bye. Alexa, end video.